Hey everyone, John Henry here, Slingshot Futures Trading Group. You may or may not have known about this, but YouTube has accepted SSFTG into the Partners program, allowing us to offer some incredibly exciting new membership programs. What memberships allow us to do is offer several awesome features specifically to members here on YouTube, and it allows you, the viewer, to support us so we can provide you all with even more content. With the additional support, we'll be able to produce better and better videos with more and more content driven towards and for you, the viewer, and the member. Now, I want to stress something very heavily here. The content that I launch for free every day with training materials, how-tos, trading strategies, the live streams, the bonus materials, all of that stuff that we're launching every single day, that's still going to be free. That will not and never will change, and I will still continue to post the content that you all love nearly every day, with more live stream time having some time being allocated to it for members. We have 2 levels of membership available to accommodate every trader and their needs, whether you're just getting started or looking for live market analysis every morning at the New York Stock Exchange Open. Also, keep in mind that you will, of course, get all of the levels below the one that you choose. So if you decided to move forward with a level 2 membership, you would also gain all the stuff from level 1. So level 1 is going to be for the SSFTG briefings, and that's going to give you access to extra briefings that we're going to launch on a lot of different bases. First of all, we're going to have the monthly brief. That's going over a daily chart analysis for the month ahead, and that's looking at the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, gold, oil, euro, and Bitcoin. That's also going to offer access to our private members Discord chat where we can post all the links and kind of communicate back and forth. Makes it a really cool environment. The next one is going to be the weekly brief, and that's going to be going over 4-hour chart analysis for the week ahead. And again, that's going to be covering the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, gold, oil, euro, and Bitcoin. But I also wanted to take a look at potentially adding a couple stocks. So if there are some stocks of interest, there will also be between 3 to 6 or more or less stocks that I'll be looking at in that weekly briefing. And then the daily brief, and that's going to launch every morning before the stock market open, typically pretty early in the morning, but definitely before 9:30. And that's going to be going over a 15-minute chart analysis for the day ahead. And again, that's going to be on the NASDAQ, S&P 500, gold, oil, euro, Bitcoin, and potentially any stocks that might be setting up for that day. And then next we move on to level 2, and that's going to be the live analysis room. And this is where we cover live market analysis over the New York Stock Exchange Open from 9 in the morning, about 30 minutes before the open, until 11 o'clock Eastern time as the lunchtime session begins to set in. And private links for those will be posted every day as long as there's going to be a trading day that day. Of course, there will also be really cool members-only events like weekend Q&A sessions, trading strategy development streams, market psychology webinars, and tons more. Thank you all so much for the support, whether you're one of our regular viewers or a full VIP member. It's truly incredible to be able to help people move towards their dreams every day, and it's members like you that make that possible. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you all in the next video and live stream. Thanks.